In this video, I'm going to show you how to cornrow with crochet pin. Yes, you heard me right. I'm surprised too, okay? So you don't have to worry about losing it. All you have to do is just loosen up the tip and drag the hair. Without wasting time, let's start. So we are going to start by parting out the hair we are going to be using, okay? When you part your hair, part out small hair. This is where you are going to start. Then fold the hair around your crochet. Make sure that the hair is at the back of your crochet, that hook. Then the next one you are going to fold it inside the crochet hook, just as you are seeing now. Now, the hair you brought out, put it together with the hair you are going to be crocheting. Turn your pin just as you are seeing. If you want to take hair, make sure that your pin is diagonal. Okay, make sure that your pin is diagonal, but when you want to bring it out, make sure it's vertical. Let the crochet hook face you, then you bring it out. You can always support with your hands while bringing it out. Okay, always support with your hands so that you can easily bring it out, and make sure you don't pull too much. Okay, so just keep watching me. This video is self-explanatory. When you want to take your hair, keep your pin vertical. When you want to bring it out, let it face you, vertical. When you want to bring out the hair and it's diagonal, your hair is going to pull. It's not going to be tight, but when it's vertical, it's going to be tight. Okay, I've studied this process, this crochet chain process, crochet chain cornrow pattern. I studied it very well, and I understand that if you use the particular method you use to collect your hair and pull it, it's not going to be nice. It's not going to turn out nice. So if you want to take your hair, keep your pin diagonal just as I'm facing now. But when you want to bring it out, let it be vertical. Let it face you. Then you bring it out. So you keep on doing this until you reach the tail. Before I will show you how I crochet my tail, my tip or whatever, the tip of my hair. So just keep watching. I'm almost approaching the tip of my hair. So the pattern I use here, just like you crochet your wool, that is the pattern I use here. I just take my hair, put it inside the crochet, close it, and then bring it out. Make sure you are not pulling too much. Okay, just give yourself time. I'm also a beginner. I'm not yet a professional in this pattern, okay, but I'm just trying to show you in case you are having difficulties. Okay, this is the pattern I used to do mine, and at least I arrived here, and I know with time, if I keep on doing it, I'm going to be perfect and of course turn professional. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to try it one more time. Okay, we are going to try it one more time together. This is the new way to cornrow hair. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this pattern of cornrowing hair. Yes, the first time I saw it, I was surprised too. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out this pattern. Let me know what you think about this new method of cornrow. Here I'm just trying to cornrow with my hand so that I'm going to compare the cornrow I did with the crochet and the cornrow I did with my hand. Of course, I would prefer this cornrowing my hair with my hand, you know, but this crochet on, if you know how to do it perfectly well, if you can do it on your human hair, fine, okay. Some people might be scared to use these crochets to crochet their hair, something like that. So I'm just cornrowing with my hand. Let me compare. Here is the two cornrows. To me, there is not much difference. I feel like when I get perfect in cornrow with a crochet, I think it will look much more better than this. So there is no much difference. And this cornrow I did with crochet, it's more bolder than the one